Okay, guys, we're going to make a creamy taco salad. Creamy taco spaghetti. And I've got right at, I think it's 4 pounds of ground beef. We're having a lot. It's going to kind of be meaty. And to that, we're adding 2 6.5 ounce cans of mushrooms. You don't have to add mushrooms if you don't like it. We like mushrooms. These are just canned mushrooms. Canned mushrooms. Mo's getting my cup of sour cream over here, half a cup of sour cream over here. I don't ain't ready for it yet. Thank you though. You just hang on to it. Anyhow, got 2 6.5 ounce cans of mushrooms. It's okay. It's okay. Look, you wasn't supposed to use that because Mammy's supposed to have that. No, I'll wash that. Sorry, guys. That wasn't for the sour cream. No. It's okay.
Mommy.
We gotta learn, right?
Mommy.
Don't be touching your feet if you're gonna be helping me now. Don't be touching your feet. Okay. And then to that, we're gonna add a whole. This is a kind of medium to large onion. Well, that's what we'll say, and it's diced.
Yeah. Mom.
No, that's plenty.
Oh,
Let me get a spoon to stir this now. I don't need the.
Mommy.
Well, just wait, okay? No, we don't need that. Oh, she's got to wipe off the side of her cup. My sous chef is busy working today, guys. Busy working. This is going to be a big old pot. This pot might not be big enough. I might wind up having to get my other pot out. You don't have to cook this big a pot, guys, but we're cooking a big pot because, you know, we have a big family. Okay, we've got to cook these. Let this get soft, and as that's doing that, we're going to put in 2 or a tablespoon. I got a half a tablespoon. That's why I was saying 2. But we're going to put in a tablespoon of taco seasoning. That ain't never been opened, okay. Or 1 packet. You can put in a packet. We may put in 3, like 1.5 tablespoons. I'll just have to see. I can tell when I get it in there. Trying to give measurements. Y'all know I don't cook with measurements, but I'm trying. I'm trying. 1, 2. I'm going to go ahead and put another one, I know. 3. Then let's get that stirred up. And we can kind of see. It's a lot of meat, so I'm thinking I'm probably going to have a little more. We're not technically making like taco. Yeah. She's got sour cream on her. Let's go ahead and put in 2 more. So that's 2.5 tablespoons of taco seasoning. You just want it to where when you stir it up, your meat has taken on a little bit. Are you going to put us some more? Okay, that's 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Yeah, put the top on. You get it? Awesome. She's getting better and better, guys. Yeah, like this. We don't want it overly taco-y, but we want enough to know that we've got that in it. Then we're going to salt it. No. You can't use that anyway. It's on the floor. We don't need any more anyway. Okay, now we're going to salt it. This is a lot of meat, guys. A lot of meat. No, we're not ready for that yet. We've got to get our onions and stuff softened. We're not ready for that. I'll let you put it in when it's time. Not ready. Huh? Oh, I thought I had my spaghetti water on. I need to put it on. And you can really use any kind of noodle. We're using spaghetti. And I know I'm half on, but I want y'all to see this. We're just getting our onions soft. And can y'all believe I'm not putting chili powder in it? I don't cook anything hardly without chili powder. I love the flavor of chili powder.
Don't let me back.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to let her put, I think our onions are pretty soft. Let me scrape it out, okay? Like that. We're putting in a half a cup of sour cream. Okay. Then we're putting in a whole block of cream cheese. I know I like cream cheese too.
Now.
Yeah, that's a knife. No, we don't need any more sour cream now.
Mama.
Just stir it around and get it all melted in the stove. Let me tell you. See, you're getting it all over you. You need to stop. Stop, okay? Stop. Here, let me help you. But you got to stop. Sour cream gets all over you. No, we don't need to wipe the knife. We're just not going to mess with, let me put sour cream right here. Because we're not going to mess, they're going to see you be ugly. Don't let the people see you be ugly. You got to be a nice girl. Mammy's getting all this mixed up. See? And it's going to be thick and meaty. You just want to make sure your sour cream, a little bit's in there. Okay. Thank you. Don't get close to the stove. We're not ready for it yet. We got to make sure we get all our sour cream and all our cream cheese moved around, okay? This is almost like, guys, like a lasagna. Almost like a taco lasagna, except we're not using, not lasagna, stroganoff. But we're using, we're not ready. We're using spaghetti noodles instead of egg noodles. But that's kind of what it's going to be. So I want to make sure I got all my cream cheese, all my sour cream. And you listen, you can do more taco seasoning if you choose. When you cook, it's almost like when you craft, you got to put a little you in there, a little love. And just, you determine what you want in there. It's smelling really good. It is smelling like taco stroganoff, sort of. It is. It really is.
Mommy, turn that sucker thing on, please. You don't have one?
Yeah, it ain't on. Her stove does it, though.
I know, but that smell's gonna make me sick.
Oh, sorry. Okay, we got all this mixed up, I think. I don't see any more white as I'm stirring. So now Mo's going to put in our tomatoes, and we're using, let me show them a can, though. Or can you show them the can? No, they got to see this side. Rotel. Nice green tomatoes. You got to wait and not turn it over till you get it to the pan, though, okay? Get it all the way to the pan before you turn it over. Okay, thank you. And that's what we add to it, is 2 Rotel. That's what makes it a little more liquidy, like, spaghetti. Then we want to cook this kind of on low, just to kind of cook those Rotel tomatoes and everything, marry all the stuff together. Make sure, guys, that you taste. And then if you need to add something, take something away, or, well, you can't take nothing away, let's just forget that, but Buckshot, you gotta stop, baby. Oh. I wasn't meaning Buckshot to Buckshot, I was just calling her Buckshot. Anyhow, let's let that cook now. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I've got my water boiling for my spaghetti, my noodles. And salt it. Always salt your noodle water. I'm using angel hair pasta just because I love angel hair pasta. I love the little pasta. I'll turn that down too low to cook. Just keep your stuff stirred. You don't want it to burn. But look how pretty it looks. I need to taste it. Let me get a spoon. Baby, it ain't plugged up. Okay, let's just see. Mmm. That's good, guys. Mmm. Oh, you want to taste some? Was it too hot? Tell me if it's good. Okay. You need to wipe that up. Where you felt poured out tomatoes over here. Okay. Now our water's just about boiling. Now listen, if you do not like a little bit of spice, because those Rotel tomatoes do add some spice, so use regular. You can just use regular diced tomatoes if you don't want that added spice, because it is a little spicy. And that we just got regular. I mean the original. It's a bit can. Didn't have to pay as much for it. So anyway, you know we like saving money. But this is good, but it is spicy now, I'm going to tell you. So if you don't like spicy...
No, be careful with that blade, baby. You will cut yourself.
Definitely use just regular diced tomatoes. Or if you want to cut it down a little bit, to have a little bit, you could use 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 can of Rotel. So, whichever. And I want to say, I don't know for a fact, but I think the mild is not quite as spicy or not quite as whatever as the original. So you can use 2 cans of mild and it will probably be less spicy. But it's very good. You may have it cooking a little fast now. Just want to keep it stirred. And it is more like a stroganoff, I guess, because it is a thicker sauce than spaghetti sauce, but it's good. I'm still going to call it spaghetti, because we're using spaghetti noodles. See this stove? Man, it has a mind of its own. I'm cooking. What you doing? That's wilder. Remember what you doing? What, baby? Okay. Let's see how long it says cook them for 4 to 5 minutes. So let's set our timer for 4 and start. And that's all the noodles I have, but we got plenty of sauce. We'll be able to cook more. Let's see how quick it come together. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, but just wait. Mammy's about done.
Will you get me that black pot so I can put some tea water on?
Where is it at?
Down there, in the second drawer. Okay, guys, that's it. We're gonna get our noodles done, and then we'll dish up the noodles and you know, put the stuff over it just like we do spaghetti or stroganoff or whatever. But that's it, guys. Love ya. Y'all please share it out. Love ya.